First of all, I'd like to say that these Layrite pomades always work at their best on a fresh haircut. With that in mind, I'd like to demonstrate to you today how to apply these pomades on wet hair, damp hair, almost dry hair, and dry hair. So get up off your couch, get up off your chair, grab your can of Layrite, let's dig in. Okay, great. Now I'm going to show you how to apply the Layrite Original or the Superhold to damp hair or otherwise towel dry hair just out of the shower. Now at this point, the pomade is going to act a bit like a heavier gel, beginning to straighten and beginning to form and shape up a little bit more. So once again, I'm going to go ahead and grab my original Layrite, take out about half of a knuckle's worth, maybe a little more. Nice and gently apply it to the palm of my hand and coat both hands. Working the pomade, lifting, allowing the hair to pull the pomade off of my hands and to begin to feel a good bit of resistance. Less water, more resistance, more control. And once I have loaded my hair with what I consider the appropriate amount, I can use a little more pressure for a little more shape and lift. Very quickly, I decide maybe not to use all of it, so I'm going to rinse my hands. My comb selection this time, which once again is very important, is a medium coarse, very stiff comb. Once again, trailing with your hand and a good bit of lifting. Now as the hair dries, you can feel the resistance in the comb, giving you a bit of a tighter style. And you can see, you can kind of push the sides, bringing emphasis to the center of the hair, leaving that elevation, and you can see the pompadour start to form. And because of the damp hair, it's somewhat loose, but still controlled. This is applying the Layrite Original to damp hair.